Watch AI create an employee compensation performance dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with, complete employee records with salaries, performance ratings, and department information. Let's create it live. I'll start by importing our data file. The upload completes instantly, and now I'll click Create Dashboard. Bricks AI immediately begins analyzing our employee data, identifying key relationships between compensation, performance ratings, and departmental structures. The system intelligently determines the most valuable insights to visualize, creating charts that reveal performance rating distributions, compensation trends by hire year, and departmental breakdowns. Our employee compensation performance dashboard is now complete with 5 dynamic charts and 2 detailed tables covering top earners and department summaries. I can instantly customize the visual theme to match our company branding with just one click. Now let's enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This clean, distraction-free view highlights our key insights beautifully. Charts display compensation patterns, performance distributions, and departmental analytics in a professional format perfect for executive presentations. Back in edit mode, every element remains fully interactive for deeper data exploration. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.